Pakistan is currently facing wheat crisis that has worsened the food security crisis and scenario in Pakistan. Pakistan is basically an agrarian economy, but its government fails to fulfill the daily wheat requirement of its population. Multiple factors behind that. Due to devastating floods of year 2022, it has created shortage of wheat seed and massive stock of wheat is destroyed. Coordination failure exists among the provincial and federal governments regarding the determination of minimum spot price of wheat. Hoarding and smuggling of wheat seed is also visible at border areas. Insufficient import of wheat is also a big problem. Administrative and policy issues, prices of agriculture imports became double. Rupee depreciation, international market competition, minimum spot price of wheat is not timely announced, so farmers think and switch to other crops cultivation, and in this way they earn profit. Role of the financial institutions regarding the provision of the financial assistance and loan. Government should play its vital role regarding short-term and long-term decision at right time for the availability of quality inputs. So Pakistan has to increase its importation of wheat year on year. Through October, imports for the year 2022 to 23 were just above 9,80,000 tons, with the 9,50,000 tons of purchases made first week of December plus another 6,85,000 tons awarded in October-November. Total outstanding purchases are 1.635 million tons. Thus, total commitments are 2.6 million tons. The year 2022 wheat output is officially estimated at a near average level of 26.1 million tons, as yields were affected by the heat waves between March and April. Shortage of urea fertilizer and irrigation water supplies. Planting of the Rabi wheat crop, almost entirely irrigated, normally takes place between October and December, as many areas are still flooded. Planting operation for the year 2022 to 23 wheat crops are expected to be severely hampered. In addition, floods resulted in the loss and damage of agriculture inputs, including seed stocks, fertilizers, machinery at household level, and irrigation infrastructure, which may result in a contraction in the area planted and have a negative impact on crop development. Wheat imports in 2022 to 23 forecast well above 5-year average in the year 2022 to 23. Marketing year March-April wheat import requirements are estimated at 2.3 million tons.